Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the Touch ID on the Caesar Rewards application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the rewards button down below the right side corner and then tap on the profile option in the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the enable Touch ID option in the middle of the screen. If you would like to turn on the biometric ID or fingerprints feature, tap on this button next to it on the right side of the screen, meaning that whenever you open the application, you will be required to use your Touch ID or your fingerprints to open the application. However, if you want to disable this feature, just come back to the same section and tap on this button again, and it will be turned off automatically. So basically, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.